All right, really quick. It's been a while since I've been out here, and I don't want to lose momentum, but at the same time, I really want to get this 3D printing going so that I could make these different coils, housings, and rotor housing. Anyway, this is the JL93 94 circuit using this nice big fat coil, which is the secret to this guy. And also, as it was explained, the speed in which the magnetic field crosses the coil. So this will keep going like this at this relatively slow speed. But if I can physically speed up the rotor, it'll actually pick up speed. Unlike the Bedini coil, there's the load. But it'll keep going here, but it's choking. It's because I think this circuit, this particular circuit that I think was invented by Sky Collection, needs a fast magnetic field going across a large coil. So let me see if I can get this thing going a little quicker. Hold tight. So this rotor setup, once I get it going fast with the same circuit, it starts to fly to the point where I've got to be careful. Probably because the mass is a little smaller and it's easier to rotate, and it only has the 4 magnets on it and they're closer together. So the magnetic field can whiz by this nice thick coil, activating the circuit. I really love that rotor. It's a nice rotor. Yikes, because it has that VCR bearing on it. So I was going to try to make, with this guy, I was going to make the captured magnetic bearing type setup, kind of like my my maglev setup over here, but I decided I'm not going to do that. Instead, because I really like this, this has the 2 magnets on it, and this is balanced pretty well. Instead, I'm going to use these ceramic bearings that I have, that I got. But what I need to do is I need to print a sleeve. I need to take this off because this is a 6mm shaft and this is an 8mm bearing ID. So I'm going to take this off, get this liquid metal off of here, and set it up that way because I'm dying to see how these bearings hold up. All right, I just wanted to get a video out. I was thinking last night about that larger wheel that I have over there. I wanted to see how it would perform with this JL94 circuit. And it performs, but nothing like this guy. So see, if I just give it a little spin, it'll go. It'll keep going. But if I give it a really good spin, it increases big time. So it really depends on the magnetic field flying past And it also depends on the coil. The coil has to be beefy. It has to have a certain ohms. I'm not going to measure it now. But once I get it going up to a certain speed, then this circuit takes over. Mesmerizing. All right. That's it. Cool. So I haven't forgot about the monster, and I realized that I have an 8mm shaft on here. So I could use the ceramic bearings on this guy, which is what I might do next. I might set this up just to see how this thing goes. I got to be really careful with these guys because they're really strong magnets. This one's got, what is it, 6 of those 4-inch bar magnets, and of course this guy, these are N52s. They'll pull the fillings out of your teeth. But yeah, I could use I could set this up really quick, I think, because it has the same OD as this housing here. So maybe I'll try to set something up really quick and get this big beast going with the larger pancake coil, which works really well too. Again, another sky treasure, sky collector. All right, ciao. So it really didn't take that much to set it up. I thought it was going to take a little while. I have to hold this side down because I don't have it securely mounted, but just a decent spin. And this is a monster rotor. There's my load, 12.4 volts, and that is on the ceramic bearings, and it does make a difference. It is flying. It may not look like that on the video, but it is. Because if I were to let it go, it'd be all over the place. But yeah, ceramic bearings, that's the way to go. Yeah, I gotta mount it down now if I want to do it correctly. Anyway, ciao.